What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more videos of different kind of gig apps, like, subscribe, hit that bell so whenever I post a video you will be notified. Guys, today I'll be working with Uber Eats, Doordash and Skip the Dishes from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. So come along for the ride. Stick around to the end if you want to watch the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. All that said, let's go make some money, okay? And it's gonna be a fun day because I'm working the central zone and it's not my favorite one. Okay, 10:58. Uber, you're online. Doordash, looking for orders. You have 2 more minutes for Skip the Dishes. Skip the Dishes, start your shifts now. This is Doordash, $7.75 for 3.3 kilometers. A&W, I accept that. Complete delivery. Put base pay. Confirm. $5.75 base pay. Customer tip $2. 17.4 kilometers, $14. Holy moly. That's a very far drive. Decline. Far distance. Skip the Dishes, you're online. Yeah, just deliver that Skip the Dishes order. Swipe to deliver. Let's go back to Doordash. Uber Eats, you're on. This is Doordash. Whew, not a long drive. Close to home. I'm gonna decline that. Let that pass. Skip the Dishes, $7 for 3.6. Accept. Let's see what Doordash sent. Another one came in from Doordash. I would have declined this one anyway. 9.1 kilometers for $6.25. No thank you. I think the customer tipped 50 cents. Now there's a Uber Eats, $3.62. I would have declined that too. Grab that food. It's a busy zone. Deliver. That's a nice one. 1.8 kilometers for $7. This place wasn't easy to find. The GPS is saying the other side of the building. So I have to deliver. This is a nice one. $9.48 for 2 kilometers. Awesome. Accept, accept, accept. And the time is 12:11. And Skip the Dishes, $19.55. And I had one order with Doordash. Right now it's on pause so I can't see it. I think it's $7. And 0 order with Uber Eats. Another favorite restaurant of mine. Drop off this customer order. There's lots of cameras. This building is under heavy security. Okay, nothing from Skip the Dishes. Resume back Doordash. This last order that I just dropped off was what? $11, close to $12. Who say you don't get big orders from Skip the Dishes? $9 for 12.3 kilometers. My acceptance rate is 18%. When I started, it was 30%. This order is a DoorDash order, and it's in Polo Park, the food court. So let's go there. Delivery, yeah, I was on pause and I accept an order, and then once I deliver it, it says you're still on pause, resume back. That's weird. DoorDash could override your pause, so you guys be careful about that one. It happened to me a few times. So this is Skip, $7 for 3.8 kilometers. Accept. I'm getting hungry. It's lunch hours. Maybe after my shift I'm gonna buy something to eat. I'll take you guys along. You want to come along for lunch? Collect order, ready to drive. Skip the Dishes have too many steps. Collect order, ready to drive. 100 meters. Not bad for $7. $7 adds up, right? So this one is from Skip, 1.4 kilometers for $7. Accept it. Little Korea. Yeah, this is a bad area. I best hide my GoPro. The minute you turn your back, someone's gonna break into your car. Bye-bye GoPro. Whew. Another apartment building, 3rd floor, no elevator. Damn, Skip. You don't give me enough time to breathe. Let me catch my breath, man. What's going on? Another $7 for 1.9 kilometers. Oh yeah, I'm gonna accept it, don't worry. Pick up that order. Another short drop off, really short. 4 minutes, 1.1 kilometers. I said this before, if you could get 4 orders in 1 hour, $28. But it have to be really short drop off, right? And you have to work fast and safe. No speeding. Boy, oh boy, here we go again. Another one. I'm not gonna complain. It's so busy. Okay, just hold on, hold your horses. 3.4 kilometers for $7. This might be my last delivery. The time is 2:45. That Subway is my last order. Swipe deliver. Shift has ended. And the time is 3:02. That's it for me. 4 hours with Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Skip the Dishes. Skip the Dishes run things today. Skip the Dishes rule today. I had a few with DoorDash, but they're like long distance. I had to decline probably like around 10 of them, as usual, before you get one good order. And Skip the Dishes, I declined 0 order. All of them was acceptable. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the summary. There's a plant-based Whopper at Burger King, and I heard it's really good, so I'm just gonna try it. Welcome back, guys, and this is a summary. I'll start with Uber Eats. I had one order, $4.11. Customer didn't tip. Let's move over to Doordash. I had 2 deliveries. Start from the bottom. Customer tip $2. Base pays $5.75. And the last and final one was $9.25. Base pays $7.25. Customer tip $2. Active time was 45 minutes. Dash time 3 hours and 49 minutes. And this is Skip the Dishes, $107.68. But this included the evening shift, so we have to minus the evening shift, which is the top 4: Underdog, Frank Pizza, Wendy's, and KFC. This Subway was my last delivery for the lunch shift. So start from the Subway all the way to the bottom. I had 8 $7 and one $11.16. This customer tipped $7.17. Second big payout was $9.48. Customer tipped $5.99. So we're gonna minus those 4 orders from the evening shift. Gonna give us $76.64. That for Skip the Dishes, $4.11 for Uber, and $17 for Doordash. Give us $97.75 minus $7 for gas equal $90.75 divided by 4 hours equal $22.68 per hour. Awesome wage, right? $7. That's lots of $7. You have to work fast, efficient. I don't mind the $7 if it's a fast pickup, short drop off, you know. So that's about it. $22.68, and I'm happy with that, and I'll take it to the bank. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out. Possible Whopper, 100% Whopper, 0 beef. 2 Impossible Whopper and
Chicken fries?
chicken fries. Is there ketchup in there? You put ketchup, 2 small packs.
Ketchup?
And a sauce.
Let me get it for you.
It's windy, yeah? Your hat's
Yeah.
gonna be blowy. Okay, thank you very much.